Hi, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life, where we release videos like this every Sunday. Today we will be cooking Cowgirl potato hash browns. Before we start cooking, I have migraines, and what better way to do that than to relax? And we are at Fort Wilderness Campground at Walt Disney World, Florida. Alright, so let's get started. Here you will need to complete this dish is you can add more or less things depending upon you and your family's appetite. But this is what we used for today. 1 potato per person, or of course you can add more. Half a packet of bacon, kielbasa, olive oil or avocado oil, Larry's seasoning, cast iron with a lid, tin foil, and a bowl. Alright, once you get all these things, let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Then you're going to place your potatoes in a lukewarm bowl for at least 20 minutes. While the potatoes are in the water, start cooking the bacon to medium to high heat or until crispy. You can drain and grease some of it, as this will give it some flavor throughout the rest of the cook. When the bacon is finished, please set aside. Place the kielbasa or sausage and start that cooking process. Back to the potatoes. After the 20 minutes, you're going to drain the water, then pat down the potatoes to dry. Place in a clean bowl. Then add the avocado oil or olive oil. Avocado oil is, my opinion, is better because it can hold the heat better up to 500 degrees. Then you're going to add salt and pepper and Larry's seasoning for a taste. Alright. Now, place kielbasa aside and begin cooking the potatoes. Now you are going to want to brown out the potatoes just a little bit and then put the lid on it. And this process should take 30 minutes with the lid on it. And you're going to want those, how you know the potatoes are done, that they're soft and you're able to eat them. Final steps, now combine everything, break up the bacon, add this kielbasa or sausage, and toss them in with the mix to the cast iron with the potatoes. Now you're going to place the lid on to warm everything back up, and this should take no more than 10 minutes. Then when your plate is done, eat and then you can eat and enjoy. Now this could be like a main meal, like you want to have that one big thing, or if you want to have potatoes and some eggs, this would be the way to go. And this will fill you up until lunchtime. Alright, so after you're done plating and you can eat and enjoy with the family. Now this recipe will be down in the description below. Alright, and as well as last week's recipe, which is lemon pepper salmon, and our adventure at Fort Wilderness Campground as well. For all those are the links, and the links for where to buy some of this stuff will be down at the description below as well. Alright, thank you for joining us at Fort Wilderness Campground in Walt Disney World, Florida. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.